This video shows how to install a UAW licensed version of EndNote to your personal device. For UAW managed devices, you can download EndNote from the Software Center app located on your desktop. We will be demonstrating using Windows. If you are using a Mac, we highly recommend you use the Firefox browser when working with EndNote. Safari and EndNote do not always work well together. You can download EndNote for Windows and Mac from our EndNote website. We will be demonstrating using Windows. From the UAW EndNote website, click Download EndNote zip file. Log in with your UAW username and password. Click onto your download folder to view the downloaded file. The screen shows the location of the zip folder in Google Chrome. The location is the same for Firefox and Microsoft Edge. The next step is important to ensure that you have a UAW licensed version of EndNote and not a trial. Click the Show in Folder option. From your computer's download folder, right-click the INST file and select Extract All. Make sure Show Extracted Files when complete is ticked. Click Extract. Double-click the INST file. This will install the UAW licensed version of EndNote. For Mac users, you only need to download and click the DMG file.